Art and artificial intelligence may seem like an unlikely pairing, but in recent years, the two have become increasingly intertwined. From machine learning algorithms that generate unique works of art to the use of AI in digital art creation, the role of technology in the art world is growing rapidly. One of the most exciting developments in the intersection of AI and art is the use of machine learning algorithms to create entirely new works of art. For example, researchers have developed algorithms that can generate paintings in the style of famous artists such as Van Gogh and Monet. These AI-generated paintings have been exhibited in galleries and sold at auctions. In the realm of music, AI algorithms have been used to compose original pieces in a variety of styles. And in poetry, AI has been used to generate original verses that is stylistically similar to the works of human poets. AI is also playing a significant role in digital art creation. Neural networks, a type of machine learning algorithm, can be trained to generate realistic images and animations. These AI-generated images can be used in a variety of contexts, from video games and movies to digital art exhibits. Some artists are even using AI as a tool to help them create new works, using algorithms to generate ideas or to add elements to their art that they may not have thought of on their own. The growing presence of AI in the art world raises a number of questions and concerns. For example, some people argue that AI-generated art cannot be considered real art because it is created by a machine rather than a human. Others argue that AI-generated art is a valid form of expression and should be treated no differently than art created by humans. There is also the question of how AI art impacts the art industry as a whole. Will AI replace human artists, or will it augment and enhance human creativity? These are the questions that will likely be debated for years to come. There are also ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI in art. For example, if an AI algorithm generates a work of art that becomes highly valuable, who owns the rights to that artwork? Is it the person who created the algorithm, or is it the AI itself? These are complex issues that will require careful consideration as the use of AI in the art world continues to evolve. Despite these uncertainties, it is clear that AI is here to stay in the art world. Whether it is used to generate entirely new works of art or to assist human artists in the creative process, AI is changing the way we think about art and creativity. As we continue to explore the potential of AI in the art world, it will be interesting to see where this technology takes us next. One area where AI is already having a significant impact is the realm of art conservation and restoration. The process of preserving and repairing works of art can be time-consuming and laborious and labor-intensive, but AI algorithms can help to streamline and automate these tasks. For example, researchers are developing algorithms that can identify areas of damage in a work of art, such as cracks or discoloration. These algorithms can then suggest repair techniques that will be most effective in restoring the works to its original condition. Another area where AI is being used in the art world is the creation of personalized art recommendations. Using machine learning algorithms, it is possible to analyze an individual's artistic preference and suggest works of art they might enjoy. This could be especially useful for an online art marketplace, which often have a vast selection of works available for purchase. By using AI to recommend art to potential buyers, these marketplaces can help to narrow the field and make it easier for people to find art that they will love. It is also worth considering the relationship between AI and creativity. Some people argue that AI is inherently uncreative because it is simply following instructions that have been programmed into it by humans. Others argue that AI can be creative in its own right, especially when it is given freedom to explore and learn on its own, regardless of where you stand on this issue. It is clear that AI has the potential to augment and enhance human creativity by providing new tools and techniques for artists to work with. AI could help spark new ideas and inspire creativity, works that might not have been possible otherwise. Overall, it is clear that AI is having a profound impact on the art world, whether it is used to create entirely new works of art to assist human artists in the creative process. This technology is changing the way we think about art and creativity. As the use of AI in the art world continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see where it takes us next. The implications of AI on the world as a whole are complex and multifaceted. AI has the potential to transform many different industries and change the way we live and work in a variety of ways. Some of the potential implications of AI could be, increased automation. Like AI algorithms can be used to automate many different tasks, which could lead to increased efficiency and productivity in a variety of industries. This could also result in the displacement of some jobs, as tasks that were previously performed by humans are taken by machines. AI algorithms can process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, which makes them well suited for tasks that require data analysis and decision making. This could be especially useful in fields such as healthcare, finance, and marketing, where data-driven decision-making is becoming increasingly important. AI algorithms can be used to provide personalized experiences and recommendations to users, such as personalized products, product recommendations, or personalized news feeds. This could lead to more personalized and relevant content and services for users. AI can be used to facilitate collaborations between humans and machines, such as through the use of cobots or other AI-powered tools. This could lead to new ways of working and new forms of collaboration. As AI becomes more widespread, there are likely to be a number of ethical and legal challenges that rise. For example, there may be concerns about bias in AI algorithms or about the right and responsibilities of AI systems. These are just a few of the potential implications of AI in the world as a whole. Technology continues to advance. It is likely that we will see a number of additional changes and developments in the way we live and work. AI and art are two fields that may seem unrelated at first, but in recent years, they have become increasingly intertwined. From machine learning algorithms that generate unique works of art to the use of AI in digital art creation, the role of technology in the art world is growing rapidly. While there are certainly some challenges and controversies surrounding the use of AI in art, it is clear that this technology has the potential to transform the way we create and experience art. AI can be used to create entirely new works of art, to assist human artists in the creative process, and preserve and restore works of art. The technology continues to advance. It is likely that we will see even more exciting developments in the intersection of AI and art, whether it is used to generate entirely new forms of expression or to enhance and augment human creativity. AI has the potential to change the way we think about art and the creative process. So, the implications of AI on the world of art are both exciting and uncertain, but it is clear that technology will continue to play a significant role in shaping the future and the future of art as a whole.